shit!
Oh my god, the Tim! It's 6 Winter! Woo!
Nope. Try that again.
I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna. Oh my god, it's 6 Winter! Yeah, 6 Winter! Oh! 6 Winter! 6 Winter!
Alright, my name is 6 Winter. Today, I will be performing the song Chocolate Rain. As requested, I will only be singing a couple verses. That's the rules of the show. Okay. Thanks everyone for coming. There's a lot of people in the crowd today, I see. Wow.
Yeah! Woo! I got front row!
Here we go. I'm gonna try not to laugh. Tezzy, I mean, crowd, I don't know if you're ready for this.
I'm so excited.
Sorry, I'm really nervous right now. I've never really sung before in front of anyone. Alright. I'm going to sing to my deep voice. Ready? Chocolate rain! Some say stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain! A baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain! The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain! The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain! Build a tent and they say the world is dry. Chocolate rain! Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain! Forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain! Only in the past is what they say. Thank you.
Ah, my god!
Thank you very much.
That was so amazing! Oh my god, I'm rushing the stage! There's a fan rushing the stage! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh! I died from the dolphin.